Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to shoot in Unity. So I have a simple scene set up here featuring an arm and a gun. The only thing we are going to be using is this gun here. So we're just going to create a script. I'm just going to call this script gun shoot script. Okay, so we're just going to get rid of the top two. We're not going to be needing our start method. We're just going to create a public float. And this is going to be the damage our weapon does. I'm just going to set this to 10 as default. I'm also going to create another one, which is going to be the range of our gun and how far we can shoot it. I'm just going to set this default to 100. Once we've done that, we're also going to need to have our camera, and I'm just going to call this camera with a lowercase c. And we're going to write in our update if input, then the button you want to use to shoot your gun. I want to use the left mouse click, so we're going to do get button down and then fire 1. This is left click, that is right click. Then we're just going to write shoot. I'm going to create another public void. This public void is going to be called shoot, exactly as we put in our input. And we're just going to write a RayCast. We are going to be using RayCast instead of projectiles. So we're going to RayCast, I'm just going to call it hit. And then we're going to do if physics dot RayCast. Then we'll do another bracket, and then we'll do the camera with a lowercase c dot transform dot position, and then we're going to do camera dot transform dot forward. And then I'm going to write out, and then what we called our RayCast hit, which I called just hit for short. Then we're going to write range. I'm going to do a simple Debug.Log showing that we are showing us what we are hitting. So we're going to do hit dot and then our transform dot and then the name of what we are hitting. Go ahead and save that, go back to Unity, and you're going to drag your gun shoot script onto your gun. So here's my pistol, grab that on, and we're going to drag our camera onto this camera here. So we're going to drag main camera to there, and now when we hit play and you look at the bottom left corner of my screen here, you see when I shoot this wall, it comes up with wall. If I shoot this, it comes up with wall 2, and I shoot this, it comes up with wall 1. This is what the names. I'll shoot this, this and this. Before the video ends, I just want to say thank everyone for this 40 subscriber mark, and yeah, have a good day.